Look at these coins in my hand. They may look ordinary, but nothing about them is simple. Every coin tells a story of power, history, and value. On the left, the Georgia quarter. Red and black colors clash and glow. It is alive with energy. In the center, the Wilma Mankiller coin, blue brilliance, honoring a legend. The first female principal chief of the Cherokee Nation. At the end, the Colorado quarter. Black color hides a majestic secret. 3 coins, 1 hand. Infinite stories. Every detail matters. Every color speaks. Every curve is history. What seems like small change could be the most valuable thing you own. Stay with me, because what you are about to see will change the way you look at coins. Forever. Look at this coin in my hand. 1999 Georgia quarter. At first glance, ordinary, but it is anything but ordinary. Red and black colors clash. The peach blossom glows. The state outline emerges. This coin is alive. It is a collector's masterpiece. Every line sharp, every shadow deep. The arch appears majestic. Millions of quarters exist, but only a few survive like this. Enhanced, colored, alive. The red highlights energy. The black shadows mystery. Every glance hypnotizes. Every turn surprises. Imagine holding history in your hand. You feel the weight of legacy. Collectors search for coins like this. They recognize its value. The market pays high. Hundreds of dollars for rare editions. Some coins surpass $1,000. The red and black clash with intensity. The peach blossom appears alive. The arch is shadowed perfectly. Every detail crafted meticulously. You cannot ignore it. Your eyes are drawn instantly. This is not circulation money. This is a treasure. This is pride. This is art. It holds Georgia's essence. It carries history. The 50-state quarters program minted millions. But few like this exist. Collectors pay attention. They watch auctions closely. They search marketplaces. They recognize rare colors. Red and black are powerful. It is a statement piece. It is mesmerizing under light. It reflects colors dramatically. Every curve tells a story. Every shadow hints at rarity. You are holding more than metal. You are holding an experience, a conversation piece, a jewel hidden in plain sight. It could be framed, displayed, admired, passed down generations, or sold for a fortune. Collectors obsess over these. They will hunt tirelessly. They will pay extravagantly. The coin commands attention. It is hypnotic. It is unforgettable. Even showing it creates awe. Even a glance inspires pride. It is history alive. It is Georgia in your hand. It is extraordinary. It is vibrant. It is alive. Few understand it. Few appreciate it. Most overlook it. Most see only 25 cents. But you know better. You see the story. You see the hidden value. You see the fortune waiting. Collectors will pay. They will chase. They will offer more than you can imagine. This coin transcends time. It is a masterpiece. It holds prestige. It holds honor. It holds energy. It is a rare find. The red and black coloring is unique. It intensifies every detail. It magnifies its value. It creates awe instantly. The coin is alive in your hand. It reflects the sun. The light dances across its surface. The arch appears to move. The peach blossom glows. The outline of Georgia stands tall. This is not a common coin. This is a collector's gem. It could complete a collection, or be the highlight. It could attract envy. It could attract admiration. Collectors recognize its potential. They study it carefully. They assess every detail. They calculate its worth. They imagine selling it. They imagine owning it. They imagine sharing it with others. They imagine the prestige it brings. Some coins like this sell for hundreds. Some sell for thousands. The value grows yearly. Collectors obsessively track them. They analyze auctions. They search online. They seek colors and patterns. This coin is one of a few. It is exceptionally rare. It could be the missing piece or the centerpiece. Owning it is power. Owning it is prestige. Owning it is history. It connects past to present. It connects you to collectors. It connects you to art. It connects you to value. The red and black are striking. They command attention instantly. Your eyes cannot look away. Every angle shows new detail. Every angle shows depth. Every angle shows rarity. You feel the weight in your hand. You feel the pride in your heart. You feel the history of Georgia. It is not just a coin. It is a story, a masterpiece, a treasure, a hidden fortune. It whispers secrets of the past. It tells tales of collectors. It reveals the importance of detail. It shows how rare craftsmanship can elevate value. Collectors notice immediately. They admire. They envy. They seek to own. They understand the significance. This is no ordinary coin. It is extraordinary. It is enhanced to perfection. It is alive in your hand. The peach blossom glows with red intensity. The black shadows create mystery. The arch stands bold. The state outline dominates. The coin reflects its power. It radiates history. It exudes artistry. It mesmerizes the viewer. Collectors are drawn to it. They follow the market closely. They anticipate auctions. They prepare offers. They recognize its rarity. It is one of a few. It could fetch hundreds. It could fetch thousands. It could become priceless. It could be the jewel of a collection. It could be the center of admiration. Holding it feels powerful. Viewing it feels exhilarating. Sharing it creates envy. Owning it brings prestige. It is history, it is art, it is fortune. Look at this coin in my hand. It is not just a coin. It is history. It is power. It is legacy. The blue shines brilliantly. Every detail is visible. Every shadow tells a story. This is the 2022 Wilma Mankiller Quarter. Part of the American Women Quarters program, it honors a trailblazer, the first female principal, chief of the Cherokee Nation. Her legacy is engraved here. The coin reflects respect. The coin reflects honor. Collectors immediately recognize its value. The blue coloring enhances every detail. It brings depth. It brings life. The profile of Wilma Mankiller is strong. It conveys strength. It conveys resilience. It is a tribute. It is more than metal. It is a statement. It is a masterpiece. The minting was precise. Every line sharp. Every curve perfect. The background contrasts beautifully. The blue dominates. It mesmerizes the viewer. It draws eyes instantly. Collectors are intrigued. They see the rarity. They see the potential fortune. It is not a common quarter. It is enhanced for collectors. It is enhanced for admiration. It is enhanced for history. The coin could fetch hundreds. It could fetch thousands. It could be the centerpiece of a collection. It could be the highlight of a display. The Cherokee symbols are clear. They are subtle, yet powerful. They represent heritage. They represent identity. They tell stories of leadership. They tell stories of courage. The coin is a tribute to women. It is a tribute to visionaries. It is a tribute to changemakers. Collectors understand its importance. They feel the significance. They calculate its market value. They imagine the demand. They anticipate auctions. They know the blue color adds rarity. They know the minting is precise. They know the story behind the coin elevates its value. Every angle reveals new detail. Every light reflects differently. The blue changes subtly. It glimmers. It captivates. It is a conversation starter. It is a collector's dream. Holding it feels powerful. Displaying it feels prestigious. Sharing it creates fascination. The coin is alive in your hand. The history of Wilma Mankiller flows through it. Her image inspires respect. Her accomplishments echo. The Cherokee Nation legacy is honored. The American Women Quarters program shines here. It celebrates leadership. It celebrates courage. It celebrates firsts. Collectors follow these coins intensely. They seek them eagerly. They value them highly. They trade them strategically. The coin is a jewel. It is unique. It is a masterpiece. It is rare. It is extraordinary. The blue color dominates. It contrasts with the silver base. It elevates the coin's visual impact. It increases collector demand. It enhances market value. It signals rarity. It signals prestige. The coin is not just for circulation. It is for admiration. It is for display. It is for legacy. It is for fortune. Collectors see its potential. They imagine future auctions. They imagine competitive bidding. They imagine high-value offers. It could fetch hundreds. It could fetch thousands. It could become priceless. It could be the crown of a collection. Owning it is honor. Owning it is power. Owning it is prestige. The blue color is hypnotic. It draws attention immediately. It mesmerizes anyone who sees it. It captivates the collector. It captures the imagination. It tells a story of leadership. It tells a story of courage. It tells a story of heritage. It tells a story of history. It tells a story of women who changed the world. The coin is a tribute. The coin is a statement. The coin is alive. Collectors recognize its significance. They seek it tirelessly. They follow its market. They track auctions. They evaluate every detail. They admire the color. They admire the minting. They admire the story. They admire the historical importance. This coin could shock anyone who sees it. It could inspire envy. It could inspire admiration. It could command attention. It could be the jewel of a collection. It could be the centerpiece of display. It could be the highlight of an auction. Look at this coin in my hand. 2006 Colorado Quarter. It is not ordinary. It is dark. It is powerful. The black color dominates. It creates mystery. It draws attention instantly. Every shadow tells a story. Every curve whispers secrets. This is a collector's treasure. It is enhanced. It is alive. It is extraordinary. The Rockies are engraved on its surface. The mountains rise majestically. The coin captures nature. The black coloring adds depth. It creates suspense. It creates awe. Collectors cannot ignore it. They see rarity immediately. They see potential fortune. It could be worth hundreds. It could be worth thousands. It could shock anyone who sees it. Every angle shows new detail. Every glance reveals history. The minting is precise. The design is powerful. The shadows emphasize beauty. The peaks stand tall. The valleys are deep. The Colorado essence is alive. Holding it feels intense. Displaying it creates admiration. Sharing it inspires envy. Collectors seek coins like this. They study it carefully. They calculate its value. They analyze the market. They anticipate auctions. They imagine competitive bidding. The black color hypnotizes. It captivates immediately. It commands respect. It communicates strength. It exudes mystery. It is more than metal. It is art. It is history. It is fortune. It is a masterpiece. Collectors recognize its rarity. They admire every detail. They follow its story. They track its market. They know the black color enhances value. It intensifies every line. It deepens every shadow. It makes every mountain peak more striking. It transforms a simple quarter into a collector's dream. It elevates its status instantly. It becomes the centerpiece of a collection, or the crown of a display. Owning it is prestige. Owning it is honor. Owning it is history. The Rockies feel alive in your hand. The mountains feel tangible. The peaks reach out. The valleys pull you in. It is immersive. It is mesmerizing. The design tells a story. The coin whispers secrets. It speaks to collectors. It demands attention. It challenges perception. It is black. It is bold. It is unforgettable. It could be the most valuable coin in a collection. It could fetch extraordinary sums. It could surprise anyone who sees it. It could define a collector's portfolio. It could inspire awe. It could inspire envy. The market values it highly. Collectors pay attention. They research diligently. They assess its condition. They compare it to others. They track its rarity. The black coloring sets it apart. It signals uniqueness. It communicates power. It enhances the mountain design. It emphasizes depth. It intensifies contrast. It mesmerizes under light. It changes subtly with angle. It reflects shadows dramatically. It creates intrigue. It creates suspense. It draws viewers closer. It captivates attention instantly. It could be the most sought-after coin of its year. It could be the highlight of any auction. Collectors recognize its significance. They value history. They value art. They value rarity. They value the story. Every detail matters. Every shadow counts. Every peak contributes. The coin becomes alive in your hand. It tells the story of Colorado. It captures the majesty of the Rockies. It communicates grandeur. It embodies mystery. It signals fortune. It conveys power. It mesmerizes collectors. It hypnotizes the viewer. It is extraordinary. It is unforgettable. It is a masterpiece. It is a collector's dream. It could be worth a fortune. It could shock anyone. It could inspire admiration. It could inspire envy. It is the black quarter that transforms everything. It is more than currency. It is art. It is history. It is power. It is suspense. It is prestige. It is alive. It is mesmerizing. Collectors cannot resist it. They desire it immediately. They imagine auctions. They imagine offers. They imagine competition. They recognize its rarity. They anticipate its rise in value. It could fetch thousands. It could fetch tens of thousands. It could redefine a collection. It could be legendary. It could be the crown jewel. It could dominate displays. It could inspire awe in any collector. The black dominates. The shadows mesmerize. The Rockies feel alive. The coin becomes unforgettable. It is the 2006 Colorado Quarter. Black, mysterious, powerful, extraordinary, collectible, priceless.